Everybody is talking about the Ethereum merge to the proof of stake for a while now, but what exactly is a proof of stake? In this proof of stake system, the stake amount or the quantity of crypto that user hold and locked in the system is called the validator to earn from transaction fee. Instead of mining a new block, it allows minting and forging. In proof of work, the miners competing the rest to solve the blocks first, winner takes all.
Oh my god! Wow!
This staking structure keeps the network secure because of a potential validator must purchase the native currency and stake it to be randomly chosen with the psi factor. More coins equal get chosen more frequently to form a block, so only a handful of validator. Validator will lose a part of the staking if they allow fraudulent transactions. Keeping them in check for healthy behavior, even they can lose more if the sum of all the transaction fee larger than the cost of the token. When nodes finish its function as a validator, their stake and their transaction fee will be released after a cooling period for error checking and fraudulent behavior checking. But again, the whales that has the biggest coin stack will be chosen again and will collect more transaction fee and will be picked again from time to time.
No!
So there is a proposal to pick on the coin age based selection so the new validator can benefit. Additionally, whenever a validator didn't turn up or do the work, the network will propose the backup candidates to do the job. Proof of stake were introduced as a fairer way, more balanced than proof of work, but yet to come true. Do you think so? Let me know in the comment.